Most people think the future of Philippine real estate is centered around Metro Manila. But I honestly think that one of the biggest growth stories in the country today is already happening, and it's here in Central Luzon. And the center of this is Clark. And I can also extend that to New Clark City. So for years, Clark was seen as, the airport, the business parks, the Freeport zone area. But today, something really big is starting to happen. Infrastructure projects are expanding. You have new roads, improving connectivity. Most developers are already here. So, building townships, condos, malls, commercial centers. I can name a few like the Capital Mall inside Capital Town in San Fernando. You have the Power Plant Mall, Social, no, by Rockwell inside Nepo Center in Angeles. You have the Alviera Estate in Porap. You have the Centrala in Angeles. Malls rising all over the region. Okay, so it's becoming like all the major businesses are beginning to move north. Okay, so what makes Clark interesting is that it's no longer just the alternative to Metro Manila. It's slowly becoming its own economic ecosystem, its own ecosystem. So you now have the Clark International Airport, which was awarded as one of the most beautiful airports in the world. You have the growing tourism industry. You have logistics hubs, BPOs galore, industrial developments, no hotels, casinos. There's so many casinos here, and major mixed-use projects all growing in the same region. Okay. So when historically kasi when infrastructure, business activity, population growth happen all at once, okay, property values also follow. Okay. We've seen this before, like BGC, you have Cebu, Iloilo, Davao, okay, and so many other major growth corridors. Um, And while I'm not saying that Clark is gonna be like BGC overnight, that's not gonna happen. I do think that many people are underestimating where this region could be heading in the next, let's say, 5 to 10 years. Especially with projects connected to New Clark City. So the transportation expansion. There's a lot of investment in infrastructure. So the interesting thing about real estate is that the biggest opportunities don't look obvious in the beginning. Of course, no? People usually don't see that, and oftentimes we are so critical of it, no? By the time everyone agrees that the area is valuable, prices are already up, no? And that's why I think that more people are quietly paying attention to Clark today, no? Not because of the hype, but because of long-term growth potential, diba? So the question is, will people notice before prices explode or after?